During this Adobe Photoshop tutorial, you will learn how to use the lens flare. Make sure you have your Windows panel open, as you will need it to revert back to its original state. If you don't see that, make sure you go up to Window and select History, and that will pop out your History panel. Now that you have your document open, simply go up to Filter, go down to Render, and then select Lens Flare. From here, you'll see several different options as far as how you can render your image. So for example, you have down here at the bottom the lens type, and then you also have the brightness of the actual flare and then the percentage. So you can actually move this to affect the lens flare that you have. Now typically when we take a picture, we want to get rid of the lens flare. But when you're designing in Adobe Photoshop, there are times where you might want to actually use this flare to have certain effects on your image. You can actually take this little marker and move that around and position it where you might want it. So for example, if you wanted to give him an eye that kind of really, popped out and it had some shine to it, or a sparkle in his eye, this is actually how you would create that particular effect. So let's go ahead and leave it there and apply. Notice he has a regular eye right now. We're going to go ahead and click on OK. And there you can see the lens flare on his eye there. Let's go ahead and take it back to the original view. Let's come back up to Filter, back to Render. You'll notice that there are definitely some different things you can do in here. Let's go back over to Lens Flare. This time I'm going to select a different one. So I mentioned earlier you have some different options down here that actually have different effects. See how it's changing the effect here? Let's go ahead and use that one just so we can see the difference. So here you see the regular normal. Click on OK, and you'll see that now it has a different kind of effect over the image. These are a lot of fun to work with, but you can see that the lens flare definitely adds flare, as it's called, to your photographs by simply going to Filter, Render, and then Lens Flare.